So we have done sign of trigonometric functions and range of trigonometric functions. किया है हमने last videos में sign of trigonometric functions and range of trigonometric functions. So I hope you understood the concept. Based on those concepts, we'll do sums. और हमने एक formula भी देखा था, that was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so based on this formula, we can derive some more formulas. So how to find out the formula, how to derive formula, and how to find out the value of the other trigonometric functions if one value is given. So let's see, let's start. Question, we have to find out the value of sine 31 pi upon 3. So as we know that 180 degree is equal to pi. Okay, so one circle, पूरे angle का, like this one circle के लिए we need, that is 360 degree. Okay, so 360 degree मतलब one circle. Again it will be after 360 degree के बाद वो again first quadrant में आएगा. Okay, so 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Now so 2 pi मतलब 0 degree पे आ जाएगा वापस, तो value at 0 degree will be the same as 360 degree मतलब 2 pi. Okay, so how many 2 pi's are there? 31. See, 31 pi upon 3 मतलब 3 we can write like this na, 30 plus 1 upon 3 pi. So it means 10 pi plus pi upon 3. Okay, ये हुआ ना value. So 10 pi मतलब 2 pi is equal to 360 मतलब 0. Now 5 times it's going, 1 time 2 3, okay, 5 times again it will be at 0. यहाँ पे आएगा 10 pi मतलब 0 degree. The value of 0 degree, sin 0, cos 0, whatever the trigonometric function is given, but जो भी function हो 360 degree मतलब again the value at 0 degree जो होगा वही होगा. Okay, so sin 31 pi upon 3 will be equal to 10 pi plus 1 upon plus pi upon 3. Okay, so it will be equal to 10 pi is equal to 0 degree, so it will be equal to sin pi upon 3. And sin 60 degree का value क्या होता है? The value of sin 60 degree will be the pi upon 3 is 60 degree. So sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. So this will be the value of sin 31 pi upon 3. Okay. Now we'll see one more question. If sine ka value is given, sine ka value is 3 upon 5, x lies in second quadrant. As we all know that sine depends on y-axis. Okay, so y-axis, y is positive in first and second quadrant and y is negative in third and fourth quadrant. X kahan positive? See, x-axis and y-axis. Sine depends on y-axis. Okay, so y is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. So sine will be positive in first and second quadrant. So sine and cosec will be positive in first and second quadrant. But cos जो है that depends on x-axis. तो x-axis is in first and fourth quadrant में वो positive रहता है. Okay, because x is positive. Now we'll see. Sine का value is given. Now we have to find out rest, बाकी सारे phi और trigonometric functions हैं, that values we have to find out. So sine is given, so first of all we'll find out the value of cosec, because cosec x is the inverse of sine, so that will be phi upon 3. Okay, now cosec we got. Now next what we'll do, we have to find out the sine x is, मतलब sin square x will be equal to 3 का square and 5 का square, so 9 upon 25. ठीक है, so as we know that cos square x will be equal to, since sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, ये होता है ना, so cos square x will be equal to 1 minus sin square x, तो 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x का मतलब 9 upon 25, so it will be equal to 16 upon 25. ठीक है, so cos का value क्या होगा, cos x will be equal to plus minus square root of 16 upon 25. सो प्लस माइनस 4/5. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कॉस का वैल्यू क्या होगा सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में. दिस क्वाड्रेंट की हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, दिस इज सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. सो इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट साइन का वैल्यू विल बी पॉजिटिव बट कॉस का वैल्यू विल बी नेगेटिव, क्योंकि कॉस डिपेंड्स ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. तो एक्स एक्सिस तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में ही पॉजिटिव रहेगा. इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट दिस विल बी नेगेटिव, सो विल टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस. सो माइनस 4/5. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास साइन का वैल्यू इज गिवन, कॉसेक हमने फाइंड आउट किया, कॉस का वैल्यू वी गॉट. सो सेक का वैल्यू भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सेक ऑफ एक्स विल बी इक्वल टू इनवर्स ऑफ कॉस, सो दैट विल बी माइनस 5/4. ठीक है. सो कॉस एंड सेक का वैल्यू भी हमें मिल गया. नाउ कॉट एंड टैन एंड कॉट बचे हुए हैं. सो साइन इज गिवन and cos is there, so tan का value will be very easy. Tan x will be equal to sin upon cos, sin x upon cos x, and that is 3/5 divided by minus 4/5. 5 cancel, so it will be minus 3/4. So tan का value will be negative because sin is positive and cos is negative, so tan तो negative होगा. Okay. So tan का value we got. Now cot का value will be, cot x will be inverse of tan, that is minus 4/3. Okay. So tan and cot भी हमें मिल गया. Okay, we got all the values. Okay, now one more question. If we have the value of sec x is given 13/5 and x lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant मतलब this is the fourth quadrant and here this is x axis. Sec is inverse of cos and cos depends on x axis. So first and fourth quadrant में वो positive रहता है, तो that's why sec is positive. Okay, so sec and cos will be positive in fourth quadrant and tan नहीं होगा यहाँ पे positive because sin is not positive. So cos is only positive, so tan will be, tan negative होगा, tan, cot, sin and cosec will be negative. Only sec and cos will be positive. So if we have the value of sec, so we can find out the value of cos. Cos x will be inverse of sec, so it will be 5/13. ठीक है. Now so we have cos का value, so by using this value we can find out the value of sin. So sin square x will be equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so 1 minus cos square x का मतलब 5 square will be 25 and 13 का square will be 169. Okay. Okay, now 1 minus this one will be 144/169. So sin x will be equal to square root of plus minus square root of 144/169. So it will be which value we have to take, plus या minus? Sin will be, because fourth quadrant की बात हो रही है ना, तो sin will be negative. Only cos will be, cos and sec will be positive. So sin negative minus 144 का square root will be 12 and 169 का 13. Okay, so sin का value we got, so we'll find out the value of cosec. Cosec of x will be equal to minus 13/12. ठीक है. Now tan का value we can easily find out because sin and cos का value is given. We found out ना, हमने find out कर लिया. So we can find out the value of tan. So sin upon cos, sin का value is minus 12/13 and cos का value is 5/13. So 13 cancel, it will be minus 12/5. Okay. Now tan का value we got, then we can find out the value of cot. Cot का value क्या होगा? Cot x will be equal to inverse of tan, that will be minus 5/12. ठीक है. ये it was like sec का value is given. Sometimes we are getting the value of cos, sometimes sin, tan, कुछ भी. See यहाँ पे sec का value है, तो by using this sec square x का value use करके we can find out the value of tan. Tan square 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Okay. Now sec का value is given, so cos का value हमने find out किया sin square use करके, I mean this method, sin square plus cos square, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So वो formula use करके we have what, how we found out the value of sin x, because sin square x will be equal to 1 minus cos square x. So sin x का value मिला by if we have cos x का value and sin x का value, so we can find out the value of tan. So tan का value हमने मिला and tan का value अगर हमारे पास है, then inverse of tan is cot. So we can find out the value of cot. These sums are very easy. After that we'll see some different kind of sums. Next we'll see the trigonometric function of sum of angles. Okay. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.